So now, going to try and make this refrigerator get some air time. That last one was only 1 pound. This is twice the amount. This is 2 pounds. We have it right at the bottom of this refrigerator, old refrigerator. There it is right there. I'm gonna shoot that and see if we can get this thing to jump.
My ear.
Oh, that's probably a good idea. Hold on.
It's gonna be a second. I gotta get the gun out.
Okay. Right there.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. Okay, you ready? First fire in the hole. Okay, y'all don't be moving the trucker now. Okay, is everybody steady?
Yep.
Oh no.
No way you could have missed that.
I don't think so. I wonder why it didn't go. Try it again.
It doesn't have to be packed together tight, does it?
Doesn't have to be in that container.
Well, did that container crack when we put the refrigerator on it though?
Maybe I missed.
No way. Not when you can shoot one of those little bitty ones.
By the way,
Closer than the other one.
Yeah.
this ammo was packed by my grandfather in 1969. May. Still shoots good. Let's try it again.
Oh, did you feel a concussion? Man!
Oh my god!
Holy crap.
Did y'all feel that?
Oh, I felt
Yeah.
that. Wow. I could feel that on my
I
chest.
think you hit it that time.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Oh my gosh!
Jeez.
Well, it tore the bottom out of it. Look at the hole. It knocked it back this way. This is where it was.
Yeah, it used to be right here. It's back there.
Whoa. Wow. This thing flipped over. Brian, that was the bottom over here.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
it was.
This is the bottom.
Holy crap.
You see what it did to it?
Yeah, it was out here.
It was flipped
It
over
was
out
right
here.
next to this thing.
Yeah.
And
I
it
had
flipped
it
over
right
this
next
way.
to this. It flipped it over.
Well, this was
Yeah.
part of the machine.
Yeah, this was right. I had it right next to this pump or this compressor, whatever it
Oh
was.
yeah, it was sitting here and
I
it
had it
blew
right
it
next to the
over.
compressor and it blew it over.
Holy crap.
It blew this in. Yeah, look at all
I've got one more.
Blew that all apart. there.
Wow!
That, I mean, I felt it. I
I
felt
know
it.
it.
Like,
I'm
I felt
already
it.
planning my first bank heist.
Jeez.
Some